these niggas that I never do shit. My boss never stay, so I never slick nigga. Watch me leave this place you stay. Think about the fucking way. Change the fucking shit you say. I may be back another day. Still checking in the place, still go. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas that shiver. Thinking about South Lake, us on the river. Move back, nigga. Move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about the white one, thinking about the bright sun. That change straight from the dog shit. No tape, but I'm playing with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been the dog since the last run. No stress in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that they never really go. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Dress like a motherfucking god. When I reach the shore, niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty side. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no lie. Fuck a white man, no top, no star. Chase all day to the boss in the back. With my niggas from bitches in the back of the cab. Claim bitches, but a nigga been whack. Never talk boy with your fake ass neck. Cash, talking about cash, nigga. When I throw that shit, cash, nigga. Last time when I talk to him, man, will shit. Run quick, slash for the neck, nigga. Oh, I gotta make it out the hole for the best show. Please don't try, never show my back. Bitch, don't cry, just move that bag. That's trash, thought I never really say this. I'm a sick on my ex, bitch, play this. Just say 613, that's the greatest. But I never seen no niggas ever famous. Flex boy, leg boy, trash boy. 10 fake bait, you say sass boy. Oh, I tell these niggas